G'day guys, Ninja here with The Body.
Hello.
Jace.
So what are we doing today, Ninja?
I'm bringing my obscure anatomy back. Just for all the fans out there that love that series.
High demand for it.
High demand, yeah. People go, when's it coming back? When's it coming back?
Here it is.
Here it is, here it is. So we're going to do Bicipital on... Aponeurosis.
Well done.
Bicipital aponeurosis. We'll write that in the description. So what it is, if you come in here, Leo, see this white bit here from the bicep tendon down there, but it also has got this fascial sheet that goes through here. So it wraps around these muscles in the forearm and also has a little going up into there onto the bone. So what I thought, imagine if that had all fused together and Jace couldn't do his curls like he really loves to.
What would we do?
What would we do? You'd get a bloke like me saying, me bloody Aponeurosis is a bit fucked. Come on, can you fix it for me?
I don't think that was English. We'll see how we go.
The Aponeurosis. Bicipital. Aponeurosis.
Yeah.
Aponeurosis.
Can you repeat that, Leo?
Neurosis me on.
Can you put that on a loop somewhere?
Aponeurosis. Anyway, so from the bicep through here, I reckon we've got to get into there.
Okay.
But then I'm interested in this bit around here as well. So
The little, what'd you call it?
up into little sneaky one up into the bicep as
Like
well.
a little tick.
Yeah,
Tick
up onto the bone.
snuck back in there.
Yeah. So here at MMT, we love fascia. We love working the fascia and where it binds up, gets stuck. So we know the value in that. So, and that's why we treat the way we treat. So it's not that massagey kind of stuff that you will see on all the other channels. Where we
Throwing the oil away.
slopping the oil around. We don't slop here.
Slop, not the oil anyway.
No slop. Just coming out the mouth where the slop comes out.
It. Sometimes we can't spit our words, but
Yeah.
don't hold that against us.
No, we're not a speaking channel, as I say. That's a good
We
thing.
try to, but we don't.
How to communicate effectively.
We could do a ninja's communication video.
Yeah. How not to do it.
Nah, that'd be your best talking one yet, I reckon.
Yeah. So we're just going to work that down. I can feel where it's a bit stuck in there. So we really want to get into that and see how we pin, we hold, and we kind of encourage things away from where they would be jammed up. That's
What
it's
about
all
if someone's out there and they're like, oh, but I'd want my bicep. How would you tell them, Ninj? If they're like, oh, can you do a bit more of an actual massage stroke?
It's not what we really do. So it's like we can do broad stuff that goes right through, but it'd be more the bicep tendon and like there's a really big long tendon up in here as well. So but once people feel this work, and you release off the tendons, like the bicep itself, if that's feeling restricted, that would feel better anyway. So it's like you got to get that to marry up. So a lot of this stuff is experiential, isn't it? Like people just don't know exactly how effective this is until they've experienced it. And like we just ran a workshop on the weekend, and like it's like the people have been watching our videos, and they kind of just didn't fully register just how powerful this work is and what it feels like.
Till they receive it.
Till they received it. So being in person, then trying to deliver it, and we guide them and show them how it should feel, where they should be and how fast it should be and things like that. They just don't really fully comprehend it. It doesn't marry up. So but when you're receiving this, it's a pain, but it's therapeutic. So it's a sensation that you realise is an investment in the health of your body in the future. So you're willing to go through it. Whereas when it feels like it's damaging you, it's traumatizing you, things like that.
Which is when it's hard
and fast, and it's going beyond your boundaries. And it's going beyond the boundaries of the physical body because it's damaging the cells. It's not getting that sink in and getting that permission to kind of get in that deep level and really melt it down and work it. So that's the real difference. So I suppose it's made us we always knew that our in-person stuff was awesome, but probably register that it's even more important. So we're going to do a tour. Me and Jace.
Yeah,
we're going to
just,
tour.
just us two.
Yeah, us two are going to tour.
Oh, we booked out.
Booked out tour. Around the world tour.
You can do a talking seminar on the side.
Yeah, I'll do at night I'll do
Comedy. That's...
I'll just try and pronounce go through the whole muscle and every muscle in the body, and that can be my show. All the ones that start with P, that's like pterygoids. Who the bloody hell
Who put
made
that
that
in
start
there?
with a P?
It's silly, isn't it?
Yeah, bloody just silly.
Just misuse of letters, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, I'm sort of into this fascial bit here, the fusing of these muscles around here. So I'm going to go from the elbow down now. How's it feeling, man?
Yeah, it's pretty tender in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it gets a lot of work with our type of work and our training.
Yeah.
So probably an area I don't get a lot of treatment on is sort of through particularly the inside of the forearms and everything, and lower into that bicep. So
Yeah. And we have golfer's elbow.
yes.
So pain on the inside of the elbow. It might be your upper finger. your finger.
Come on, one more go.
Aponeurosis.
Aponeurosis.
Aponeurosis. Your bicipital aponeurosis.
You've got it.
They could be fucked. And that's the reason why you got golfer's elbow.
Don't worry about the name of it, as long as you can fix it.
Yeah, that's right. That's what I've stuck by for all these years.
It served him well.
Yeah. Anatomy just got him worried. So I just didn't worry about it. I didn't want to be... I'm an artist. I'm an artist. I wanted to feel where the blocks were. I didn't want to know what their names were. I can stay anonymous. Just wanted to help them
Just
out.
the pain.
Yeah.
Just the pain.
Just going to go down through here a bit.
Where would your first world tour go to, Ninja? Where's the first place you'd like to...
Well, maybe we can go to Bali. What do you reckon?
Bali world tour?
Go there. Get people to come to us.
Yeah.
Good melting pot there, I reckon.
You can get into Bali.
Yeah, I know. I'm pretty safe.
Get the visa sorted a couple of days earlier.
Yeah. You know, I still haven't got my visa that I applied for online.
You must
It didn't come through.
You must have done
Hasn't
something
come
wrong.
through. You just pay on the
You need
on
an
the
admin
gate.
person, don't you, Ninja,
Yeah.
for your flights and stuff?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get Leo to be your admin when you're going away.
Yeah.
We can sort it out for you. We'll give him an extra fee and...
So I'm just going to try and get that little one. Goes up in here.
A little tick back up in.
Yeah. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Feel it in there. So in this area too, there's like arteries and superficial nerves. So we've got to dodge around them. So you don't want to actually traumatise the person or damage, the blood supply. So we want to get that out of the road and then kind of target the tendons and the muscle. So up in there. So that's it. I reckon I've done enough here.
Done enough.
I've done enough.
It's a quick demo.
I'll be pretty certain this golfer's elbows of yours is fixed.
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah.
Perfect. Be back to curling.
Back to curling, mate.
Yep.
Back in Farnsey corner.
Yep.
You be there with Farnsey tomorrow, just doing your bicep
I
curls.
reckon. No, just the bench. Bench on Thursdays.
Yep. It's in. It's a lock.
It's a lot.
Every
Can't miss
Thursday. Remember that out there, guys. If you want to look like Jace, bench every Thursday. There we go. Another enthralling edition of Ninja's Bloody Obscure Anatomy.
Thanks, guys. See ya.
Thank you. Done.